Hello everybody, I have just been nominated by La Table Ronde 63 Liège to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. It is a great pleasure to have this bucket of ice on my head. And I would now like to nominate Bart de Geutenaar, Round Table Zalzaten, and Steven Vermeeren, Round Table Dendermonde, to do this as well.
One more.
Next Friday.
One more.
One more. Okay. Xavier Velge.
Already?